This video will show you how to assemble and plan out our infrared panels. Always follow our written assembly instructions for assembly and installation. The infrared panels do not heat the air in the room, but the objects in front of them. The temperature in the air in an infrared room is therefore significantly lower than in a traditional sauna room. For the best effect from your infrared panels, cover as much of the walls as possible near the seating areas in your sauna room. Read our table in the assembly instructions to see how many and what size we recommend for your panels. Tula's infrared panels are covered with hemlock wood and are available in 3 different sizes. 980 x 680 millimeters, which is 300 watts. 980 x 360 millimeters, which is 150 watts, and 980 x 280 millimeters, which is 100 watts. The panels must of course never be covered or placed behind, for example, backrest or other furnishings. Our infrared panels can be mounted independently or in the same sauna room as our sauna units and controlled from our Tula Elite control panel. Now we turn to how you mount your panels in your sauna room. All panels can be mounted upright, and smaller infrared panel 980 x 280 millimeters can be mounted horizontally. Start by separating the panel with the cable facing downward. Then mark where you want your wall-mounted panels, at least 300 millimeters from the unit. Measure and mark where the electric cable ends and drill a 10 millimeter hole in the sauna panel where the cable can be fed. Remember not to cover the exhaust air from the sauna room and leave at least a 35 millimeter space between the panels, as the front of the infrared panel is slightly wider. Then screw the panel onto the wall with a supplied screw in this way. Attach the infrared panel by hooking it from above. Mounting the smaller panel if it is to be mounted under the baseboard. The easiest way is to use our mounting kit. Start by screwing the clips. The less curved clip is installed in the intended upper edge of the panel, and the more curved clip in the intended lower edge of the panel. Use the shorter screws. Then screw the panel into the upper shelf with the longer screws, and then also into the lower shelf with the longer screws. Now the panels are in place, and it is time to connect the panels, which you can connect to a timer, to our relay box, or to the unit, which is in turn controlled by the control panel. We hope you got a good introduction to your sauna construction with our infrared panels. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact one of our dealers and they will help you with all your questions regarding your sauna construction. Good luck!